Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 3, Day 2. I'm going to say the sounds and then blend it to make a word. Okay, here we go. B-S-T, best, S-and, sand, J-ump, jump, M-int, mint, ask, ask, p-asked, past, o-amp, lamp. Nice job. Okay, these are review words. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, trunk. 3, 2, 1, went. 3, 2, 1, stand. 3, 2, 1, blink. And remember, this is the tricky one, ink. 3, 2, 1, ant. 3, 2, 1, sand. 3, 2, 1, spent. 3, 2, 1, end. 3, 2, 1, hunt. Okay, here is our ending blend for these next few words. Let's make the sounds sk. Put it together, sk. Okay, here's your word. Isk. What's the word? Disc. Now I'll let you do the next one. Blend. Word, mask. Okay, let's make the sounds in this blend. D. Put it together. D. Okay, let's do one together. H. And. What's the word? Hand. Oh, whoops. Okay, here's the next one. K. And the blend is unk. Let's blend it. J. Word, junk. This is the words, the blend. The blends are t. The blend is t. Okay, I'm going to let you do this one. Word, hunt. Ooh, you know this one. What is it? St. Okay, I'm going to let you read this one. Word, fast. Okay, this is p. Put it together. Okay, let's read this one together. What is it? Jump. So you notice it's Okay, I'll let you do this one alone. Word, lamp. Okay, we'll do this one together. Pond. Word, pond. Okay, your turn. Word, last. Oh, whoops, last. Together. Word, mint. Okay, your turn. Word, desk. Nice job, everyone. Now this time, I'm going to let you blend them. 3, 2, 1, fast. 3, 2, 1, bend. And D says nd. 3, 2, 1, junk. Unk, unk. 3, 2, 1, hint. What does NT say? Nt, nt. 3, 2, 1, task. What does SK say? Sk, sk. 3, 2, 1, ramp. What does MP say? Oomp, oomp. Ooh, we have 2 blends here. 3, 2, 1, blast. What does ST say? St, st. 3, 2, 1, clump. What does MP say? Oomp, oomp. 3, 2, 1, grunt. What does NT say? Nt, nt. 3, 2, 1, stand. And we have the st, but this time it's the beginning. And then our last sound is nd, nd. Okay, let's read this. Pest. A pest is like someone who might bother you. So let's keep going. Pest. Change the e to a. Past. Change the p to o. Last. Change the st to nd. Land. Change the a to lend. Change the d to t, lent. Change the l to sent. Change the t to d, send. Change the e to sand. Get rid of the n, sad. Change the s to had. Add an n right here, hand. Change the h to band. Change the, add an right here, brand. Change the to land. Change the d to last. Change the to fast. Get rid of the s, fat. Change the a to, whoops, we need to keep fast. Change the a to fist. Change the f to mist. Change the st to ink. Now this one's tricky. It's not mink. It would be mink. Remember, ink says ink, ink. Oh, sorry. Change the to pink. Nice job, friends. Okay, here are our words. Let's say it 5 times. Like, 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 like. What do you like to eat? Now, if you took away the C, if you covered it up, that would be lick. We don't want licked. The E tickles the I to say its own name, I. That's why it says I, because there's super E there. Okay, next. Where, 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 where? Where do you want to go? There, 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 there. There is the house. Get, 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 get. I will get a new pencil. This, 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 this. Who is this? Okay, here is our story. Okay, I'm going to let you go first on this one. Okay, here we go. Red and Ron. Okay, here are some words you'll see. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, with. 3, 2, 1, two. 3, 2, 1, he. 3, 2, 1, Okay, you're going to go first, then we'll do it together. Your turn. Together. Red and Ron. Your turn. Together. Red and Ron ran. See Red with Ron. Your turn. Together. Ron fed a hen. See a fat tan hen. Your turn. Together. Ron fed a ram. See a fit ram. Your turn. Together. See a hot fat pig. Ron had to fan it. Here's the fan. Okay, your turn. Together. Ron had to rip it. He fed Red. Okay, friends, so we have been talking about verbs. A verb is an action. A verb is an action. A verb is something that happens. So what is this word? Bend. So I have fingers, I can bend them. Do you see that? I'm bending them. Okay, now if I'm doing it right now, I would say bend-ing. Do you see ing? I do too. Ing says ing. So it'd be bend, ding. And ing means, ing means it's happening right now. Okay, so here's my action word. What's this first word? Jump. How do I make it happen right now? jumping. Oh, and it's not ing, it's ing. Jumping. Here's yell. That's a verb. It's something I do or you do. How do I make it happen right now? Yell-ing. Here's hunt. How do I make it happen right now? Hunt-ing. Rest is a verb. It's something I do. Happening right now. Add an ing. Rest-ing. This is ask. It's something I do. It's a verb. Asking. Bump. How do I make sure it's happening now? Ing. Bump-ing. And last one here is spell. And I'm doing it right now. Spell-ing. And we do that a lot, don't we? Okay, we are talking about possessive nouns. So a possessive noun tells you who owns something and what they own. So the hen's eggs are in the nest. Now the biggest hint is the apostrophe S. So hens, and what are the hens? Eggs. The eggs are the hens. Apostrophe S tells you it's her. And what is hers? The eggs. Let's look at the next one. The duck's bill is wet. So look for that apostrophe S. The duck's bill is wet. So what is the duck's? The bill. The bill belongs to the duck, and that's a bill is their mouth. Okay, did you get that right? Okay, let's do a couple more. I'm going to give you a couple seconds. So a possessive noun, we use a possessive noun to say that someone or something owns something. And we do that by putting apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. So the writers add an apostrophe and an S to form a possessive noun. So I'm going to read this, give you 3 seconds to tell me who and what is theirs. The kids' tent is up. 3, 2, 1. First of all, whose is it? I mean, who are we talking about? The kids, right? Ooh, I see apostrophe S. So what belongs to the kids? A tent. The tent is the kids. The apostrophe S tells me that it's theirs. That's called a possessive noun. Let's do one more. Here it is. Ken's dog spots a frog. Okay, think in your head. Who am I talking about? Ken. And what is his? Ken's the dog. The dog belongs to Ken. The apostrophe S tells me it's his. Okay, friends, we'll keep doing that later. Good to see everyone.